next video tutorial, we will see how to print line right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern the stars are aligned in the left side. In the first line there are 5 stars. In the second, third and fourth line there are 2 stars, and in the fifth line there is a single star. Here in the first line the stars are separated with a space character. In the second line 2 stars are separated with 5 space, then 3 space and 1 space. Let's type code to print this pattern. We are going to use a variable called I is equal to 0. Here we are going to use value here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition false, and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern we require if, else, elif statements. If I value is 0, then print stars separated with space 5 times. If I value is 4, then print single star, else print star separated with space. Here spaces are gradually decreasing from 5 to 1, 5, 3 and 1. For that we are going to use 7 minus I into 2, and the space is appended with a single star. So run the file in the terminal triangle.py. We can see we are able to print the hollow right angle triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.